Well, here we have a rather unpleasant example of a Simco Model 40 Watt Junior steam engine. The boiler's obviously been taken apart at some point. This is the one with the this boiler is the type with the removable end caps, and it's not in a particularly nice state. However, the piston valve is intact, which is rare on these. Quite often that's missing or broken, so you know, obviously I don't know what state the element's in, but those of you that subscribe to my channel will probably say, well, hang on a minute, you've already got one of these and you've done a video on it, and indeed I have, but I've actually now got 3 of these. Now there is a method in my madness. I'll bring in the other one. So here's the other one. This one has got the soldered up copper boiler rather than the one with end plates. Interestingly, they've also got different flywheels. I've not noticed that before on these. I'll have to go and check my other one, because I wasn't aware there was 2 different types of flywheel. This one, as you can see, is in much better condition. I think it's even had a new cord put on it. Again, I haven't checked these over. I don't know what state the element is in. But this one is missing the piston valve, although the piston valve rod is there. So yeah, so there we have 2 Simco Model 40 Watt Juniors. So why have I got 2? Well, the reason I have 2 of these is because I'm hoping to make one of these. Now, this is a Simco Watt Master, and I have never ever seen one of these, only in this advertisement. As you can see, it's a twin piston, twin flywheel version. Now, it does have the Watt Senior boiler, as opposed to these which have the Watt Junior boiler. The difference being that the whistle is on the end, and there is pressure relief valve, which is on the boiler rather than in where the chimney is. So yes, that's very interesting. It's also interesting to note in this picture that there doesn't appear to be any pipe going up to the little chimney, which there normally is, as you can see on, we can zoom back out again onto the 2 Watt Juniors. Both, one of them's got the pipe, one hasn't, which is this pipe here, which goes from the back of the piston valve up to the chimney. So that's interesting. But no, the plan is, and again, the flywheels are very different on the Watt Master. But the plan is to take these 2 Watt Juniors and make a Watt Master, or at least a close version to the one in that picture. And what I'm hoping is I should simply be able to flip the cylinder on one of them over onto the other side, and then we'll have a twin cylinder version. That's the plan. So whether or not I've got enough working parts here to do that, I don't know, but time will tell. Anyway, there we go, that's the plan. Okay, well, I've made a start on the Simco, my attempt to make a Simco Watt Master, and there's still an awful lot of work to do, but I thought I'd stop at this point and do a quick part of the video, because this gives you an idea of what, you know, what the thing looks like, the twin cylinder version of the Simco engines. As I said, there's still a lot to do. I've still got the boiler to clean up. I don't know whether the boiler leaks or anything yet. I'm going to have to make a new crankshaft here, because the original ones are simply not long enough in their standard form, and also there's a slot in the end which is designed to take the set screw on the pulley. I don't need that. I just need it, similar thing, only slightly longer. The pulley on the Watt Master goes in the middle here. But yeah, anyway, you get the idea. This hopefully give you the idea of the concept of this engine. I've still got to reshape all the pipes, and it's got to be, as I said, there's a lot of cleaning up to be done. The flywheels are actually slightly different, which is interesting. This one is a little bit thicker than this one. There's not a lot in it, but no, I'm hopeful that we can get this going. It looks like I've got 2 good elements, so I've got 2 heating elements to choose from for this, so that's quite useful. I'm pleased with what how it's turned out so far. I mean, this was the whole point, was to get a twin cylinder version of one of these. There you go. That's the or hopefully will be at some point in the not too distant future an operational Simco Watt Master.